So what's this video about? If you've got a horrible smell coming out of your washing machine and you've got this Whirlpool Cabrio model and you're trying to figure out what it is, after a lot of research and reading on the web and this, that, and the other, I finally solved the problem at my house. Now, first of all, my washer was not throwing any error codes, but every time we ran laundry, there was a pretty bad smell coming from the laundry room. And it was always worse if it had been more days between laundry loads. You could occasionally even smell the smell when you walked by the laundry room, even if laundry hadn't been done. So ultimately, the thing that led me to where I ended up was I noticed that as soon as the washer started to run, as soon as the water started to go into the tub, the smell would start to come out of the closet here. So that told me that it wasn't a problem with buildup and the drain hose over there, and that the smell was coming when the bad water came out during the spin cycle. It told me that the moment water was hitting this tub in this unit, we were getting smell. So based on things that I found doing research, that indicated that there was a bunch of mold and crud and other stuff in the bottom of the tub. So if you immediately smell it the moment you have the thing begin to fill, chances are you've got the same problem that I've got. Now, I wasn't confident that I knew what I was doing, so I did not do a 1-hour video or 2-hour video of me bumbling my way through taking this thing apart. So this video is basically just going to have the reassembly process shown, because I didn't start taking video until I was putting it back together again. But I'll go over all of the important points, so you'll be able to see how everything goes back together and infer from that how it would come apart, because of course you just disassembly is the opposite of assembly. So in terms of working on these things, it's kind of a one-piece top. So that control panel is attached to the top. There's clips here, and you'll see them at the end of the video. I talk about them. You just push in this crack here with a putty knife, and then once you get the clips to release the front edge, and like I said in the video, you can see what it looks like underneath, this will pop up a little bit. You want to put tape on here. I use just blue painter's tape to keep the door closed so that when you hinge it up, it doesn't fall back and break something, or in my case, hit the wall. Now, I did have to take these shelves out when I was doing work. I've got this stupid tight closet here, so it was not the easiest thing to work on, but I did take the shelves out, so you'll see later in the video that that isn't there. And I also had to remove that dryer hose to make a space to pivot the thing up. So fundamentally, what the issue was is all sorts of crud in the bottom of the washer. Some of that is driven by just the age of the machine, but using a little too much laundry detergent apparently can cause that. The stuff is pretty stinky. And there's a lint trap down there that other folks have found all sorts of things in that you want to take out and clean up. But you'll see that in the video shortly. In fact, when the next section of the video starts, the tub will be out, or not the tub, the drum will be out, and the lint trap will be out, and we'll be looking down in the holes there. Just a note, I'm not a appliance repair person. I am an amateur, so don't be too critical. The drum, when you get it removed, you're going to hear sloshing sounds. From what I was able to research and discover, that's normal. So there's fluid inside the drum, sealed inside the drum, presumably to make it so that when it spins up, it provides some rotational stability so that the thing's less likely to go out of balance. Good luck fixing your problem.